Over the years, one of the challenges I've dealt with, and I've seen a lot of other people struggle with this, is setting unrealistic expectations. We live in a microwave society where we want everything instantly, we want everything now.
Don't care how, I want it now.
But not everything is like a Rocky workout montage where you're able to hit your goal in 5 minutes. A lot of times we have unrealistic expectations when we think we can look like a professional athlete, movie star, model, or celebrity that we like. There's some things to keep in mind with that. First of all, a lot of these people have 1 in a million genetics to begin with. And then on top of that, they've got the time, their profession to look good. That's what they do. They've got full-time chefs. They've got personal trainers. And then when you see them, they're usually in photo shoots where they've got great lighting. It's just right. They're taking thousands of pictures and then picking the very best ones. And then on top of that, they go through and Photoshop and edit and touch up all the pictures. So a lot of times when you go to the grocery store and you see these magazine stands, the covers, how fit and how great they look, remember that's not necessarily a true depiction of how they actually look. There's been a lot of things that have been tweaked. So a lot of times when you see these impressive physiques in the media, there's a lot more to the story. Some of these people have some very unhealthy practices, things they're doing. Some might have mental health issues, body dysmorphia, eating disorders. Some are abusing drugs. So there's a whole lot more to it than meets the eye. And that's one reason I like to not just focus on aesthetics. There's a lot more to it than your appearance. And when it comes to your health and fitness, there's a lot more to it than just how you look. Now, hopefully this isn't coming across like sour grapes, the people that bash everyone that's got a better physique than them. That's not the case. I think it's great to have goals and role models and to emulate things like that. But you need to remember there are certain limitations there when you're comparing yourself to others. There's things like genetics, your height, your frame, muscle insertions, predisposition to diseases, all sorts of things. And so that's why it's not smart to always compare yourself to another person, and why I'm a fan of competing with yourself and seeing progress long-term in that way. Now, many people can make great changes in a short amount of time, 90-day transformation, things like that, especially for a beginner when they're adopting a new program. But for most people, it's going to take some consistent effort over time. Think how long it took you to gain that weight. It's going to take you some time to lose it again. So I just want to remind you when you're setting goals, either for, fitness, physique, or transformation, sports, or any type of thing, be realistic so you don't get frustrated with yourself. And most of all, compete with yourself and just make a better version of you.
Push the button.
Do it.